Introducing the new online repair feature from Bosch Powertools. The quickest option to have your power tool picked up from your location and repaired by our specialists. To get started, you can either visit the Bosch Powertools service website or use the BeConnected app for a faster process. In the online repair inquiry form, first fill out the product details with the 10-digit tool type number, the tool name and the serial number. These details can be found on the nameplate of the tool or in the user manual. Then fill in the description of faults in your power tool in about 200 words. Additionally, select if you like to send in accessories that may be required for the repair, and tell us if the tool is within the warranty period or not. If the tool is under warranty, you need to attach a copy of the invoice for confirmation. This completes the product details section. You can apply for the repair of up to 3 tools each time. You can click Add another product to input other tool information. In the next section, fill out your personal details like name, address, mobile number and email ID. Once filled, choose the closest authorized service center or Bosch service center as per your PIN code. Choose if you want to avail the packaging service. An additional charge will be applicable as per form. Finally, agree to the terms and conditions, review your selection and confirm your online repair order. The tool will be picked up from your location and dropped at the selected authorized service center or Bosch service center. You will receive regular email updates on the status of your repair, so you always know what's happening with your tool. The tool will usually be returned within 3 to 5 working days, subject to timely approval of the cost estimate. So, next time your tool stops working, simply visit the Bosch website and fill out the repair order form to get started.